Meet Cloudways, a managed hosting provider that lets you leverage top cloud hosting services like DigitalOcean, AWS, and Google Cloud. Cloudways makes it easy to host and manage multiple websites, making it well suited for freelancers and small businesses hosting WordPress sites and PHP apps.
Welcome to Best Reviews.
Hey there, and welcome back to Best Reviews. We're taking a deep dive into Cloudways, a managed cloud hosting provider for WordPress, WooCommerce, and other PHP websites that runs on the infrastructure from DigitalOcean, AWS, Vultr, Linode, and Google Cloud. We've been relying on Cloudways to host bestreviews.net and other websites owned by our company since 2023. We'll look at how you set up Cloudways for hosting your WordPress and PHP applications, the features we like the best, its pricing, and our experiences with their support team. To get our up-to-date review and the latest offers, head over to our complete review at bestreviews.net. Getting started with Cloudways feels different from traditional hosting because you're not just choosing a hosting plan, you're also choosing the cloud infrastructure underneath it. With Cloudways Flexible, you pick a provider, a server type, and a region, then launch WordPress, WooCommerce, Laravel, Magento, or another PHP app with a one-click install. Inside the Cloudways platform, the control panel keeps servers and applications in one place. This makes day-to-day tasks like launching sites, handling backups, and managing performance feel much more approachable than raw server administration. If you're moving an existing WordPress site, Cloudways includes a free one-time migration through its migration plugin, and the support team can also help smooth out migration requests and new setups. We've moved WordPress websites from a VPS hosting provider to Cloudways before and found both the migration plugin and Cloudways tech supports to be very helpful. As your project grows, vertical scaling lets you increase server resources in a few clicks. Cloudways Autonomous is a step up for websites that need automatic scaling on Google Kubernetes engine. The overall experience is user-friendly. It's important to know that Cloudways isn't like traditional web hosting providers. Cloudways doesn't offer domain name registration, but you can use add-ons with services such as Elastic Email and Rackspace Email for email hosting. Cloudways earns most of its value by putting a management layer on top of major cloud infrastructure. That means you get the powerful cloud hosting infrastructure of providers like DigitalOcean, AWS, Vultr, Linode, and Google Cloud, all from a single control panel built for hosting workflows rather than raw server administration. Cloudways Flexible is the more accessible option for blogs, company websites, and testing environments, while Cloudways Autonomous, hosted on Google Kubernetes, is designed for high-traffic sites that need automatic scaling and built-in high availability. A big part of that experience is speed and reliability. Cloudways supports server-level caching with Redis, Varnish, and Memcached. At Best Reviews, we've relied on Cloudways' reliable backups and rollbacks multiple times without breaking a sweat. We also like how practical the platform feels for managing multiple websites. You can launch apps quickly, use projects to group work, and rely on the same environment across client sites and internal builds. For developers and teams, Git deployment is a standout tool. Cloudways also supports deployment workflows and related admin tasks that help teams roll out updates faster. Security is also a strong point. You get free one-click SSL certificates, a server-level firewall through Immunify 360, and optional tools like Cloudflare, malware scanning, and other performance-focused add-ons. The control panel makes it easy to toggle and customize all Cloudways features and add-ons. In our day-to-day use of Cloudways to manage our servers, we do sometimes find managing projects to be a bit clunky. Cloudways pricing depends on your choice between Cloudways Flexible and Autonomous, the cloud provider, the server type, and any add-ons you choose. Cloudways uses pay-as-you-go billing, allowing you to track your costs as you go, scale when needed, all without long-term commitments. There isn't just one flat monthly plan for everyone. The most affordable starter choice is Cloudways Flexible on a DigitalOcean Basic Standard server at $11 per month, which includes 1 GB of RAM, 1 vCPU, and 1 TB of transfer bandwidth. There's also a 3-day free trial with no credit card required. Best Reviews readers can benefit from a 30% discount for the first 3 months instead of hunting around for coupon codes. Over the past couple of years that we've been a Cloudways customer and user, we haven't seen any major price spikes. We've never been lured into long-term commitments, and we haven't been bombarded with offers or marketing campaigns. Make sure to check our written review on bestreviews.net for the latest pricing, as server options and the best coupon codes can change. Cloudways includes standard support for free, available 24/7 via live chat and support tickets. When you connect to the live chat, you first interact with an AI agent. The human support team is quick to step in with responsive, capable, and transparent support. In the event of website downtime, their tech team responds quickly and follows through until your websites and apps are running smoothly. There are also higher support tiers if you need faster response times or more hands-on help, but many small businesses and agencies will likely be fine with the standard plan. Beyond direct support, Cloudways also provides a status page, updated documentation, and active social channels, giving users more ways to stay informed. Cloudways gives you an easy-to-manage control panel on top of premium cloud infrastructure. It packs powerful security and performance tools, including free SSL certificates, backups and rollbacks, caching, and useful add-ons that help sites stay fast and protected. Another plus is how smoothly it handles migration and scaling, which makes growth less stressful for businesses managing live websites. 24/7 support adds another layer of confidence when something needs attention quickly. On the downside, Cloudways does not include domain registration or email hosting, so you still need separate services for those basics. And if you manage many sites, the project's organization can feel a bit clunky. Cloudways is best for freelancers, agencies, and businesses managing WordPress or other websites that want managed cloud hosting without having to handle server administration from scratch. For more details and the latest offers, head to our full review at bestreviews.net. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will be notified of future videos. See you next time!